Alright, so in today's video we're gonna go ahead and do the tackle gusset for here, and then the ones on the forward hoops, and there's another one back there. So let's start with this one first. Alright, so this is a drawing of the size of metal I need for the tackle gusset. This is basically half the circumference of the pipe I'm using, the tube, and then the triangles on both sides. Alright, so that was what it's supposed to look like, but on the bottom. And it's gonna have the same elevation as that tube that goes from here to here. So it's just gonna wrap it up like a tackle. Alright, moving on. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do the one over here. It's just a straight plate 11 by 4 with a bunch of holes in it. Alright, so you've seen me weld a lot of these things already, but I'm pretty much done with the back of the car. Everything back here is being welded. I'm ready for primer. So now I gotta jump to the front. Alright, so now I'm working on these three little brackets. This is for the back of the Kirkey seat. So I'm just gonna give it a 90-degree bend at those marks and round the corners a little bit. Alright, there you go. I'm gonna keep working on this tomorrow. It's getting kind of late and I'm tired. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Alright, I got the 3 brackets installed. Now I have to do the second part, which is the one that bolts up to here and welds up to the roll bar right here. That way the seat is detachable. Alright, so now I'm working on the brackets for the back of the seat. And this is one of them, but it's gonna be more rounded out here with a hole for a bolt to hold the back of the seat. So I gotta make 2 more because there's 3 brackets. One here, one over there. So I got my 3 brackets. Now I gotta go ahead, drill out those 3 holes and round the top. Alright, they're just bolted in place right now. 1, 2, 3 right there. Now we gotta get them welded. Let me see if I can get a better angle. There you go, that's better. Alright, well, I finally got the roll cage completed. So in the next episode, what you're probably going to see is me doing the parachute handle somewhere up there, then a battery box here, and a bracket for the ECU and the fuse box, and then also the parachute mount in the back. Stay tuned.